The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to new Bitcoin Daily show every single day, 9:30 Central European time here on this channel. You know, we gotta know what's happening with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is gonna affect alts, Bitcoin is gonna affect everything. So we do this show every single day, 9:30 Central European time, you know, right over here. And that said, subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications, stuff like that. How's everybody doing? I see, you know, a lot of regular names. Neglect, DJ AV Styling, Batch is here, Humor is here, Martin is here. Good morning, Martin. TI Calculator, I see that name a lot. I read somebody wrote, Dog, yeah, TI Calculator wrote, Dog, I told you the moon phases indicator means nothing, BTC is going to 100k. Well, I don't know, man, but you know, the moon phase is not yet over, you know. The moon phase is, you know, sometimes it take a little while before it gets effect, you know. So it can take a little while before it gets effect, you know. So never say never until it's over, you know. We still got time for the moon phases to play out. That said, it can go either up or down. But every day as it goes, every new day, I get a little bit more bullish. I don't know, guys. I get a little bit more bullish every single day. And it's starting to look good, guys. It's starting to look good. I don't know. We are in the rising wedge. We are expecting a drop to downside. You can see that we have the targets. 44, 40, 30. We have the targets on the downside, guys. We have the targets on the downside. We know where it's going to hit. We are waiting for it. But it's not happening. It's not happening. It's still going down. It's still, you know, holding above the 200 moving average up here. It's still holding above 200 moving. It's still holding inside the rising wedge. So what's happening? Like, how bullish are we actually? It's a triangle. It's a rising wedge. There is no triangle, man. What you talking about? What you talking about? There are other indications that this is bullish. Like, we broke the trend, right? We broke the downtrend. It doesn't matter how you draw this. The trend is broken down here. You can see here the trend is broken, you know, that's the big thing. Like, maybe there's something like over here. Let's see if the weekly trend is broken. Let's see if the weekly, because I don't think I've seen I don't think the weekly trend is broken yet. I mean, you got this one that's broken, but then if you use these green wicks up here, something like that, then it gets still a little more left to go. But you know, depends on the weeks you use. We are simply entering the altcoin season. How can you enter altcoin season in a bear market? Like, there's no alt season in a bear market. It's almost as if TA doesn't work. No, TA works pretty good, pretty decent. TA is fine. People expect TA to work like 100% of the time, exactly on the dollar all the time, and that's unfortunately not how it works, you know. But it does work. A wedge is a triangle. Good shape knowledge. Well, technically it is a triangle. Any kind of shape with three angles is technically a, you know, triangle. Doesn't matter what kind of shape it is. It's still a triangle. Rising wedge, it is a triangle. Don't you need a second weekly close to get a bull run over 20 EMA? Well, we are not looking at exponential moving average. I saw the video from Alessio Restani yesterday, and he was saying how we are above the 20 exponential moving average. Now, on the weekly time frame, guys, we managed to close now above the 10 moving average. Now, on the exponential moving average, I'm going to show exponential moving average. EMA. Not that I care about exponentials, but you know, whatever. 20 exponential moving average. You can see that exponential moving average down here, all the way down here. This is exponential moving average. This is a 20 exponential moving. We broke it like 3 weeks ago. Then we pumped up, and then we continue pumping, and we still kind of. So you know, if you're looking at exponential moving average, long time ago we got very bullish, all the way up here, 26 July. But you know, it's not until up here that, you know, I'm starting to look into it right now, right? So I'm still looking into will there be any kind of pullback here, or if we gonna, you know, just continue pump? Because if we just continue pumping up here, that's gonna be super bullish. Other things that happened on the weekly, we managed to close above this line. That's 45,000. That's 45,200 line or something like that. This line over here, this is a very important level of resistance, because, you know, when the price goes up here and goes down, it creates support. This support got broken down here, and right now got broken on the upside up here. So this support up here right now broken. Next support is at, sorry, next resistance is at 49,000, something like that. Pretty close up there. We're gonna see that on Binance chart, on this very nice chart where we have all our, you know, maybe these channels should be removed. How our channels work? Let's yeah, we'll come back to the channels. We'll come back to the channels. Here is it where I wanted to, you know, to draw the line. This is on Bitfinex, so, you know, we are watching Bitfinex right now, and go to the daily, and you can see here at the very top here, not this line up here, but this line, that's the next resistance, and that's at 49,000. So maybe we are going up there. Maybe we are going up there. It's fully possible to go to the 49,000. I'm not saying that this cannot happen. It's fully possible to go down up to the 49,000. Fully possible, no problem whatsoever. But we will be breaking this trend line up here. I showed you this trend line before. It goes back to 2017 top, right? 2017 top, this top up here, this bottom, it's on the weekly, bottom, and then you get this very nice what am I doing? Where are my lines at? And then you get this really nice trend line up here, over here. You get this really nice trend line up here, that's acting as a resistance. So we got one resistance here. This is the second resistance right now, because we broke the other one. So right now, this is the second resistance up here, right? We can definitely go up to 49,000 without any problems whatsoever. There is absolutely no problem to go up to 49,000 besides a small trend line. But you know, you can just jump up there. You can just jump up there. Also, guys, look at this down here. This is the 200 moving average. After we broke the 200 moving average, these two candles, this red candle, this bullish engulfing candle, green candle, this is the support. This is the support holding, and we bounced up. And look what happened on this candle up here with this doji. Look how far down. Let me just turn off this one. Look how far down, how close we came to the 200 moving. This is the support holding, 200 moving average holding. This is super bullish move on play on the 200 moving average. This is the super bullish move. This is the 200 moving average. You go first, you can go to the 200 moving average. You do not break it. You break it here, then you hold is a support. You break on the downside, but the right back up, that's a support holding. That's confirmation of the support. And then you got second time, you know, bounce on the same 200 moving average. That's this week up here yesterday is super bullish to me. I don't know how to explain it to you, but that's super bullish. So definitely there are on the chart, there are bullish signals that are kicking in. So beside this rising wedge, there are so many bullish signals that are kicking in right now that I think this has, you know, legit probability to actually break to the upside. Some other YouTube talking about broadening wedge pattern breakout. I don't know where the broadening wedge is gonna come, where the broadening wedge is. I don't know. If you can show me the broadening wedge, you know, I'd be Malawi Cruise, you know, I'd be happy. But Ahmed Alif said we are breaking the rising wedge to the upside. I'm on the phone with Satoshi Nakamoto and he's confirming this. Can you also ask him when he will drop his coins, because that's gonna be a, you know, a dump in the markets. Debutin, hi man, how you doing? I saw that you you know, missed the stream yesterday by a second or something like that. That was funny. By the way, welcome to the Patreons, man. Welcome to the Patreons, guys. So there is a real legit daily reminder that Jimmy, why are you here, man? If you're gonna bash the TI, you know, why? It is horoscope for man. We like horoscopes. That's what we do, man. We like the moons. We like the horoscope. We like the predictions, you know. So this move, it's legit, guys. If it happens to the upside, I'm gonna be one of the most bullish moves ever in Bitcoin history. This is nice. This move up here is very nice. You know, it's okay, but you know, it was expected. The move was literally very, very expected. On the other hand, what's not expected, it's a breakout to the upside. It's a breakout to upside. If we can break to the upside up here, that's gonna be, for me, one of the most bullish things ever happening. And right now, I'm looking at some altcoins up here, you know, and they are right now breaking all-time highs. 3 months after the 3 months after the 3 months after the all-time high, the bull market top, some altcoins are making new all-time highs. Can you believe that, guys? Can you believe it? Walmart looking to employ crypto expert. What is your zodiac sign, Tiele? You can guess my zodiac sign. How's XRP? It's not very hard to guess it. But if we break the upside, it's gonna be one of them. It's still not happening. Nothing. Not much has happened since yesterday. Still going a little bit sideways up here. But guys, look at this. Look at this. Also this. Not much has happened, but look at the support holding here. We said that this rising wedge is legit. You know, this rising wedge to the upside is very, very legit. You know, it's one of the most legit things you have ever seen. So everybody, and look here yesterday, look how nicely we were holding this support down here, this wedge. Look how nicely it's supporting and then bounced up. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. One of the most bullish things right now is this rising wedge. I mean, rising wedge should break to the downside, of course. We got targets to the downside, guys. We got targets. We wrote the targets. We know where it's gonna bounce. We know if it goes down, how far it's down it's gonna go. But unfortunately, I don't know if we're gonna get down there. I don't know if we're gonna get down there because it's so bullish. It's so bullish. I don't know. It's risky to go long. It's risky to, but right now I think it's risky to go short also. Well, Tia, you're saying it yourself. We had a 3-month consolidation period. Now the bull run is continuing until end of the year. It might be so. It might be so. I wouldn't. You know, people are calling it consolidation. It's a pretty big consolidation for. It's pretty big consolidation for Bitcoin. I think it's pretty big consolidation. Like, if this is a consolidation, it's pretty big consolidation. You know. Let's see on the BLX chart. Let's look at a weekly time frame. This has literally never happened before in Bitcoin. Literally never happened. And these kind of drops up here, they are like, you gotta go down here. This is the only time you have some this kind of a level of a drop. And this, how long did this drop last actually? This is the weekly, 12 weeks. 17 weeks, 12 weeks, give or take. Let's say the top was up here and start dropping down here. 13 weeks, yeah, almost exact. So this is the only kind of drop that we had that actually, you know, resembles something like that. Yeah, if it continues up, it's gonna be bullish. But you know, we don't know if it's gonna continue up. We don't know if it's gonna continue up. That's the thing. We don't know. It looks bullish. It looks nice, you know. Hey, the late adopter, I'm back from the holidays to Iceland. How are you doing, my friend? Doing good, Pew Gaming 3D, doing very, very nice. Good that you are back, man. I love TA. Jimmy loves TA. Jimmy loves horoscopes. Taurus, very bullish. No, I'm a Scorpion. I'm a Scorpion. Unfortunately, I'm a Scorpion. We will have a fake out before moving up. You never hit lower targets when sentiment are high. Just a thought. That also might be it. Like, you can have this big, you know, big move to the upside, yeah, get everybody, you know, FOMO in, and then like drop to the downside, like, you know, that can also happen. That can also, like, there are a lot of scenarios that can happen that can pull us down. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that right now, although this moving, although this rising wedge is bearish, although the MACD is losing momentum, MACD is definitely losing momentum. The RSI is creating lower highs. So if you go up here, that's gonna be 1, 2, third RSI divergence, might be even third RSI divergence, unless it actually gets over here. The RSI, you see the RSI, how nicely it is playing out. So if you do go up here, you know, something's gonna happen soon. I'm gonna bet something's gonna, it's not gonna take very long. This is daily chart. This is daily, maybe 1, 2 day, today, tomorrow, something is gonna happen, guys. Today, tomorrow, like it cannot. 2-3 days left. What's happening in 2-3 days? Is there some Sun, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn conjunction or something like that that's happening in 3-4 days? I need to know that. Is any of you guys into astronomy that knows what's gonna happen in 2-3 days? Because there's got to be something happening. You know, you can see on the Mac on this rising wedge, on this RSI, something's gonna happen. The breakout will come. Which side will it come to? Which side will it come to? It's really close, but MACD is losing momentum. MACD is losing momentum. The overbought indicator is resetting. You know, it just means resetting. This is right now resetting. The downside, it's getting closer and closer, so something's gonna happen down here as well. So all indicators right now showing into the direction of some kind of a move. RSI is not overbought on the weekly. RSI looks nice on the weekly. We got the bullish cross, guys. We got the cross. We got the bullish cross on the weekly. It's not confirmed yet. I mean, if this right now drops really far down, there will be no cross up here. It's be just something like this over here, right? If you drop this week, right? But right now we are getting the bullish cross. The bullish cross. It's not anticipation. This anticipation. This is the bullish cross right now. So it's confirmation, you know, to more upside. So we're gonna see how this plays out. If this plays out, guys, super bullish, super bullish. Mars people arrive with space cache. I believe I will be a banana by Wednesday. By D chart. What's D chart? I don't know what D chart is. Some scenarios you're talking about is sometimes confusing. About rising wedge that mostly falls down, it went up yesterday, and about Bart Simpson pattern last month, it went up. Some scenarios are confusing. Bart Simpson's last month, I don't know where I mentioned the Bart Simpson, you know, but Bart Simpson was most likely the meme of the 2000 and 2000 up here, both up here and in here, where we are having these, you know, these small drops, you know, it goes straight up, straight down, like the price goes up, right? The price goes up, then straight down, you know, and that was also a lot happening here. Where is it? It goes down or right up, right? So people are making memes about, you know, about, so people are making memes about, you know, this Bart Simpson pattern. You know, I don't know how Bart Simpson goes, you know, something like this. You know, Bart Simpson pattern. So Bart Simpson is a meme pattern, you know, but whatever. But yes, the let me show you something. No, I won't show you anything. Rising wedges have like 70% chance to break down. They're usually bearish patterns because they go inside the wedge, they consolidate, they You know, price tried to push it harder towards the upside, towards up, but it cannot break resistance, and eventually, you know, the bulls got exhausted and it breaks down. That's what usually happens. Now, in the bull market, in the bull runs, although the price tries to do the same kind of effect, the bullishness, the market sentiment is so strong when it comes to the point of deciding, because you have to understand, up here, there are traders. Up here, inside the rising wedge, there are traders, and they see the pattern. Traders trade the pattern, so they see the pattern, and all of the traders gets pushed into the corner up here. So all of the traders that have been trading down here right now are trading like, you know, dollars, plus $2, minus $2. And they have to decide whether they're gonna go up or they're gonna go down. Okay, the traders have to decide which way we're gonna go. Now, in a normal market, normal trending markets, sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down, the rising wedge is bearish because they see that you know, the bulls are exhausted. There is not enough bullish power to push the price up, and what's happened? It breaks down. Now, in a very bullish markets, all of the traders get pushed into the top, but here it does not break on the downside because the bullishness is so strong. That means that, you know, all of the traders, although they are exhausted, they still go up because the new money starts pumping into the market and pushes it up. Now, all of the traders that wanted to go, you know, short, they turn around and they go long as well. So they go long, new players go long, everybody go long. That's why it's bullish, because you get the influx of new money as well on the move to the upside. So everything starts pushing up, and that's like, that tells you like we super bullish. That's why I'm waiting for a move to the upside. That's why I'm waiting and saying if we move to the upside, it's gonna be one of the most bullish moves that's happened this year for Bitcoin. One of the I think it's gonna be like, say, this is continuation. If we move to the upside, I think it's gonna be continuation pattern. That's a lot of lines. Nice drawing. Yeah, sometimes nice drawing. But, you know, for explanation purposes. So if we move to the upside, it's going to be super nice. But I do not know. I do not know which way we're going to go. Because there are signs that we are going to go down. You see in the RSI going down. You see the MACD momentum failing. You see in the rising wedge. But the RSI is not overbought. We are above 20 moving average on the weekly. We are above 200 moving average for and managed on the daily, and managed to hold it for the 2 times. Everybody, altcoins are making all-time highs. Like, something is up, guys. Something is up. I don't know what's up. Something is up, and I'm getting extremely bullish right now. Unfortunately, I have to wait. Unfortunately, I can be the guy like saying like we are gonna go up there. Like, I know the Koinski has been saying like this is the bull market. He knows. I don't know how he knows, but this is the bull market. Whatever. This is consolidation. We are gonna go up. Maybe the Elliott wave is a thing. I don't know. I'll look into it. But right now, you know, I think this move is gonna say that we are actually super bullish. I hope for a breakdown. Need a sane buy-in. What will be a technical target if we break up? If we break up, I just wrote the target. If we break to the upside, well, first level of resistance is at 49, but below, after 49, you gotta go all the way up to 55,000. You know, that's gonna be targeted 55,000. If we break to the upside, guys, the target is 55,000. Maybe those exiled Chinese miners have started mining again somewhere else. That was such a big fun, man. The China, you know, the China ban is every single bear market. You can bet your ass that on the dollar there will come some kind of China FUD. China FUD is very specific to Bitcoin markets. Every single day, like, hey man, China FUD, China is doing this, China is doing that, the Bitcoin will die. It does not die. It has corrections because it's overbought, you know, or it's oversold. It does not die. But bear market, this was a mini bear market. I don't want to call it correction. 3 months is not a correction in my book. You know, 3 months is you know, bear market. We went down. How much we went down? We went down 54%. I'm gonna call it a bear market. I don't know what you're gonna call it. I'm calling it the bear market. Better to wait until the pattern breaks out or down. Yeah, so right now it's not a training possibility because this is just too risky, because you just don't know which side it will go. I know people are likely to FOMO in because they know that it can go to 55 or 60, and you know they're gonna miss the boat. But yesterday or day before that on the Patreon, I talked about how this is nothing, guys. This is nothing. This is literally nothing. This is only something like 64% up. Here is 90%. Do you know how fast altcoins do 90%? One day we had to wait like 4 weeks to do 90% of Bitcoin. Bitcoin does nothing. Like altcoins is where the money is being made. Bitcoin is just like telling you whether altcoins are gonna go up or down. Altcoins is where money is being made. Do remember that. Bitcoin is nothing. Bitcoin just tells you, like, you know, altcoins goes up or down, you know, that's it. Bitcoin is not where money is, like, you can, sure, you can get 2x, 3x, whatever, but, you know, doesn't matter. Like, you got a million, you got 2x, you got 2 million now. Like, it's not life-changing money, you know. Even if you have 10 million, you get 2x, now you have 20 million, but it's not life-changing because you already had 10 million, you know. How much is your life gonna change from 10 million to 20 million? Not much, you already had 10 million. Now, on the other hand, if you have like 1,000 and go to 1 million, now that's life-changing money, right? If you have 10,000 and go to 10 million, like that's life-changing money, you know. But just going up 90%, like, especially with all the uncertainty and stuff like that. That's why I'm saying, although my buying target was down here at 28,000, never got in, missed the boat, didn't want to FOMO in, really doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter. My money is safe and secure, you know. When I get in, I will get my 2x, you know. Maybe I didn't get this 2x, or maybe I won't get next 2x. Doesn't matter. I will get my 2x, and I will get my next 2x, and I will get another 2x on some other place. Really doesn't matter. What matters is I don't lose money, you know. I don't lose money. It was nice. It was nice run up. Right now, you know, we were expecting these targets, but when I missed the boat, you know, really doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter. Altcoins will. There are altcoins right now that are doing 20%, guys. They are doing 20%, okay? Right now, there are altcoins that are doing 20%, while Bitcoin is at 2%. Bitcoin is not going to make you life-changing money. If you didn't get in at 3K down here, you know, it's not going to make you life-changing money right now. Even if it goes like six times up, it's not gonna make you life-changing money. Like even if it goes to the target that everybody's talking about, oh, we're gonna go to 200k or whatever. Even if it goes up here like 200k, like that's only how much? 1, 2, 3, 3x. You know, that's only 3x. 3x. That's only 3x. Like, is 3x gonna make you life-changing money? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's called manipulation, not bear market. Bear markets are manipulation, man. The faster you get that, the better. Bear markets are manipulation. From 10 million to 20 million is going to change into 2 times better. I know my maths too. Yeah, sure, your life will be 2 times. Wife-changing money. Yeah, well, Bitcoin is right now. I don't think Bitcoin will ever be, you know, right now at 50k, Bitcoin is not wife-changing money. Unfortunately, it will give you 6x. It's you know, if you got 1 million, you're gonna have 6 million later. You know, it's gonna be nice, but you already had 1 million. Like 6 million is nicer. I understand that it's big money, but it's still not life-changing money. Now, 100x is life-changing money. You understand that? And that's only possible right now in altcoins and not in Bitcoin, unfortunately. China will fill the void in Afghanistan after US leaves. It's already filled. Yeah, the Afghanistan thing is pretty funny, guys. Pretty funny. I'm not into politics, but you know, the first thing you see is Afghanistan. Like USA said, oh, we are pulling out. Then you see pictures of Taliban in China talking to the representatives, right? And then you see couple days later, Taliban just taking city after city without fighting. They're just taking city after city after city after city. You know, there is no fighting, literally no fight. I mean, sure, some shoots have been fired, but there is no fighting. They're just taking right now. They're taking over Kabul. So the thing is, it's not like US are pulled out and now there is a fight between Taliban and the forces that are being trained by US or whatever. No, no, no. The deal has been made. In the back room somewhere, the deal has been made. We're gonna pull out. Taliban is gonna come in. China is gonna support Taliban in Afghanistan, you know. They're gonna get the road between, you know, I don't know what kind of deal has been made up, but, you know, Taliban, they come in and take over everything within a week or whatever. It took a week to take over an entire country. That's insane. That's insane. Not, like, there has like been 10 shots fired or something like that. The deal has been made in the back room somewhere. I think it's very funny. It's very funny. Whoever think like they Taliban came and took over the country. No, they didn't. The deal has been made between the USA, the China and the Taliban. I don't know what kind of deal has been made, but some kind of deal has been made. Nobody takes over country within a week without fighting, you know. So I think that's funny. I think that's funny. I think that's one of the most funny things that's happening right now. The deal has been made. The moon is fooling our minds to trade the rising wedge. It is really hard to believe the moon and think that we are going up. Yeah, that's the problem, man. That's the problem. The moon. The moon. Will the moon mess us up right now? Will the moon mess us up? Because the moon has been pretty legit so far. And the only time, not only time, but one of the very, very few times the moon has actually failed is down here. And that's usually happens when we are starting the bull market. You see, starting the bull market, this was supposed to go up and it went just this was supposed to go down and it went just straight up here and continue going up. So this over here was invalidation. So it did happen before. It can happen again. I'm not saying, you know, you can have this moon up here and then you go up here, you know. So, but that would be also another indication that we are going up. Tila, I will be coming back tomorrow morning to get my morning horoscope. You're my favorite witch. Jimmy Pig, I appreciate that. I appreciate that you like my horoscope reading. You know, come back tomorrow. We'll see that. See you around, mate. So the moon is a signal too for the bull market. If it fails, if the moon phases fail, it is a signal that the bull market's in. So, you know, if we right now go up here, you know, that's gonna indicate, you know, bull market to the upside because we broke the rising wedge. Bull market to the upside because the moon phases failed. Bull market to the upside because this 200 moving average held. Bull market to the upside because we are crossing the 49,000. Bull market to the upside. Like, there are so many things why we are gonna enter the bull market if we do this. This is what we have to do. This is what we have to. It's be now, be there or be square moment, right? 50 minutes bearish triangle. Why are you looking at 50 minutes? This doesn't matter, guys. I mean, it's nice to look what's gonna happen in the next, you know, hour or something like that. And bearish triangle. I don't know what triangle you are watching. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. 50 minutes doesn't matter. Like, you go to the bathroom, you come back, it's already played out. You gotta look at bigger time frames if you want to see what's happening. Bigger time frames, at least at, you know, 4 hourly is like close time frame you should be looking. 1 hourly is like when you are really pushing it, trying to find something, like, but 4 hourly is like close time frame you should be going down to. A falling wedge on 1 hour chart, BDC. 1 hour chart, falling wedge. There is no falling wedge on a 1 hour chart. I mean, if you're talking about something like this over here, it's bad wedge. Bart Simpson on the 50, yeah, here you go. Bart Simpson on the 50 minute, right over here. This is Bart Simpson, right up, nope, go down. This is Bart Simpson, right? Bart Simpson. My name is Coinskid and I'm bullish. LOL. Coinskid's in the chat. Now Coinskid got the bragging rights. Coinskid, if we break to the upside, up here, you, my man, will have the bragging rights because you have been going through entire bear market. I'm calling it bear market. I know everybody is not calling it bear market. I'm still calling it the mini bear market. The mini bear, entire mini bear market you have been calling, you know, for this correction we are gonna go up to 200k. If this goes up to the, you know, up here, you have the bragging rights. Coinskid, you have the bragging rights. As Sol, new all-time high. Yeah. Solana is new all-time high. Definitely. So Coinskid will have definitely the bragging rights if we go up. But on the other hand, if we go down, I'm having the bragging rights. Sol is indeed exploding. Yeah, Luna as well. Yeah, Luna as well is exploding. I've seen everything, guys. I've seen everything. Return of the support coming. Nothing makes all-time high in bear markets. That's right. That's why I'm saying that this can actually break up, because altcoins right now are as well. Some altcoins are making all-time high, and that's really weird. That's for a bear market, for altcoins to make, you know, all-time high. That's weird. I do expect pullback to keep support healthy. Like we said right now, this is rising wedge. Some kind of a pullback back to certain levels should be very healthy. Now, if that happens, we gotta bounce. At 1-1, we gotta bounce. The only way we're gonna become bullish on this pullback is if we go below 38,000. If we go below 38,000, like, you can bet your mommy buttocks that we are gonna go below all-time high down here. If you go below this level down here, the pullback should be healthy down here. It doesn't matter where we go, the pullback should be healthy. What about Bitcoin Cash? It performed terribly during the bull market right now, so we are not looking at it anymore. Nobody's talking about Bitcoin. Nobody mentions Bitcoin Cash. It's a coin that's a fork of Bitcoin. Nobody cares about Bitcoin Cash, man. I sold my Solana yesterday. Debuting, nice. You missed like 20%. It happens. Don't be mad about it. Remember the buy and go to the beach EMA. Yeah, the 20 and 55 EMA. Yeah, I saw that, man. I saw that. Good call. Debuting, timing things is friggin' tough. Yeah. Daily 20 EMA pullback is healthy. We need CoinSkid Cash. CoinSkid coin. We're gonna see that. Can you please look at XRP chart? But there will be XRP video on the YouTube channel in like an hour or so, so you know, you can check that. I sold and didn't buy back in now. I missed all these pumps. Kieron Fleming, don't be mad. Like, as long as you sold and didn't buy back now, you missed. Don't be mad. Like, you're gonna buy eventually. You know, you're gonna get your money. You know, the good thing is that, you know, if you sold down here, you know, you know, you held all the way down here and then sold the bottom. You know, that's problematic. But you know, if you just didn't buy the bottom, you know, if you sold, you know, up here, you know, it really doesn't matter. You're gonna get in eventually at a good point. You know, it's gonna be fine. Waiting for BTC rug pull. I waited to buy more, but I can't wait. Lol, should I just buy now? I'm saying nobody should neither buy, go long nor short right now. Right now, it's really, really risky to do anything because we do not know whether this is gonna break to the upside or to the downside. But you know, if it breaks to the downside, probability is this gonna continue to down. If it breaks to the upside, like, we're gonna get extremely bullish, and this might go to the 55k. You know, so everybody's waiting right now for the breakout. Everybody's waiting for breakout. Wait and buy support in an option always comes to 20 EMA on a daily. Always. Yeah, it does. I sold high and thought the bull run was over. I made money, thankfully. That's good, man. Don't be, as long as you still have your money, don't be mad about it. Markets will be here tomorrow. Bitcoin will be here tomorrow. Will be in next 5 weeks, in next 5 months, in next 5 years. Bitcoin will always be here. The thing you have to understand, you just have to hodl your money. You know, you just have to not lose the money. That's the most important thing. Till I got grace and Jimmy, I thought you left, man. I thought you left. Are you just trying to, you know, pick up some kind of words of wisdom while you're still here? No. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. The healthy pullback is coming. Just relax and buy back in at around 20 EMA. Rug pull, buy it, hold it, forget about it. Won't matter if you bought locally higher. But you know, just like I said earlier, this isn't life-changing money. 90% is not life-changing money. 90% life-changing money. Like, it's not life-changing money. It's not gonna, you know, 90% is not gonna change your life. Solana. Solana did 48% in like 2 days. Okay, guys, 48% in 2 days. Bitcoin did 90% in 4 weeks. You know, you will get your chance to get your money. Believe me, you will get your chance to get your, you know, life-changing money, wife-changing money. So don't be, just because you are not actually, just because you are not, you know, just because you missed the Bitcoin pump does not mean that you are missing everything. Because once Bitcoin starts, you know, to settle down, the alts will explode. And we've been talking about that on the Bitcoin dominance chart. This part over here is telling you right now, when Bitcoin is going like this, and this part is going like this, these two Bitcoin dominance goes down. That means that altcoins are going to the roof, through the roof. Okay, guys, this part over here, when Bitcoin is going up, and when Bitcoin is going up, and you see the move to the downside like this, you see this move, Bitcoin is going up, this move goes down. That means that alt season is happening. So if Bitcoin right now breaks to the upside up here, if Bitcoin breaks to the upside and dominance continues to go down, that means we are in alt season, guys. That means that you are going to get those 90% within like day or two. That's how fast you're going to get it. Life-changing money sounds so amazing. Yeah, everybody wants life-changing money. XRP 1 hourly 55 EMA support will be a nice entry. What's a good price to buy XRP on the pullback? Coins, what is a DXY though? It's index of dollars. It's in dollar index. It looks like holding. It looks like it's going for deflation, guys. It looks like it's going for deflation. We broke the neckline, went down, hold the support, holding still the neckline right now. Technically holding the neckline. Holding the neckline up here. Holding neckline. So if it goes up, deflation. There is no inflation in the markets that are going to be deflation. No matter what, be grateful for what you have now. DJ AV talking. Can't change wife because I ain't got no wife. Michael, funny guy. Michael, it's okay. One day you'll get a very nice wife. Don't worry about it. Any significance to the daily 10 MA crossing the 200 moving average? No, not. It's a very, very fast moving average crossing a very, very, very slow moving average. Yeah, I mean, there is some significance. Get crypto. Green Goblin. Life-changing money, wife-changing money. You know, when you get to the kids changing money, you know, you went too far. You know, why life-changing money is fine, wife-changing money is fine, kid-changing money, like you went too far. Wait, come back. The train sailed for me. No, it did not. Train sailed for you. What are you talking about, man? No. I just had a rant about how the 90% up. This is the very nice bar pattern. I just had a rant about how the 90% up here. This is nothing, guys. It's 90%. It's not life. It's nice pump. It's nice gain, but it's not life-changing money, unfortunately. Are there weekly bearish divergence on the day? Are there weekly bearish divergence? No, there are no weekly bearish divergence on the DXY now. DXY is playing actually as it should. No, there is no weekly divergence on the DXY, but it looks like it's going to go for deflation. It looks like it's going to go for deflation. So I'm expecting deflation, guys. I've also been expecting deflation for a long time because I told everybody, we are having debt in entire world. Everybody is being pushed in more debt. Countries are being pushed in more debt. Everybody is being pushed in more debt. They're trying to control the population with the debt, right? And now suddenly you're gonna get inflation and remove all the debt, because that's what's happening when you get inflation. If you buy a house for 5 million and now suddenly hyperinflation comes and goes through the roof, suddenly you can pay off the house, no problem, because hyperinflation, you pay off the house. In one day you pay off the house with hyperinflation, because your mortgage on the house will still be 5 million, doesn't matter what you do, right? So the mortgage does go from 5 million to 6 million with inflation or whatever, right? It just stays 5 million whatever. But when money is less worth because your 5 million is in whatever dollars or RONs or whatever, right? So when inflation comes, your 5 million gets paid in one day. That said, I think deflation is more likely outcome. What coins are you going to buy? Probably nothing that's, you know, hyped. I'm not gonna buy Solana right now, that's for sure. Daily hidden bearish divergence on DXY. Daily. Why are you looking at the daily on the daily hidden bullish divergence? Well, there is divergence up here, but I don't see the hidden bullish divergence though. I don't see hidden bullish divergence. Maybe there is somewhere there. I don't see it. AVEX looking tasty. TLI, CLZ on long term. Right now, I don't care about altcoins. Guys, I do not care about altcoins. I'm not into altcoins right now. Unfortunately, there is one altcoin that I'm looking that I'm going to probably buy today. One altcoin. But I'm not into altcoins. Right now, I don't care about alt season. I need confirmation of Bitcoin going through, continuing the bull market. Once we get the confirmation, I'm gonna be altcoins guy. You're gonna be seeing all kind of videos. But right now, I'm not altcoins guy. I don't care what altcoins are doing. It doesn't matter if they do 100% or whatever. I'm not forming into anything. I just wanna see, because I know if this crashes down, altcoins will suffer, and if this crashes below 38,000, altcoins will really suffer. But if you go on the other hand, if you go up, you know, it's gonna be alt season. It's gonna be very good for alts. Then I'm gonna care, but right now I don't care. I mean, I care about alt season. I just don't care right now, because alt season in a failing market, it's not like closed above key resistance on the weekly. BTC confirmation is a weeks ago. No, it's not weeks ago, man. We were expecting a move to 20 move. The way I see it. I know there are other technicals. I haven't seen the Alessio Restani and other people talking about certain levels. But the 20 moving average was expected. Everybody was expecting a move to the 20 moving average. That came, that's fine. We are closed, opened above it. That's fine. Super bullish. This is a very good move. So if we did not have rising wedge up here, crossing the 20 moving average, that's super bullish. The super bullish is also that we are crossing the resistance to the upside and so forth. There is a lot of super bullish moves. Now, unfortunately, we are in a rising wedge, and we can always get this move to the downside to some kind of 38,000. If that happens during the week, if we drop down below what's that, 43,000 down here, if we drop below. Let me do it like this over here. If we drop below this level down here this week, that's gonna be called a rejection of the 20 moving average. This is a rejection of 20 moving average, and that's gonna be really bad for the market. That can happen. Technically, that can happen, and if that happens, we might see correction to the downside. So I'm not saying anything yet. I'm still waiting, and I would really like to break up out of this rising wedge, And you know, we've been talking about this rising wedge for a long time now, and I saw yesterday or the day before that eventually, you know, the moon also start talking about the rising wedge. So everybody's looking at the rising wedge right now. AVAX about to blow. And what are you buying? I'm buying at these prices. Now, I think I'm gonna buy something today. That's for sure. But it's probably nothing that you guys are looking at. What's the one coin you are buying, TLA? I'm not. I know people are disclosing what they're buying and selling. I'm not doing that because it's. You know, it's gonna be really hard for me to handle it when people buy. I sell, I don't tell them. They hodl through dump, you know, because I can buy at the wrong time as well. But I know also when I want to sell, right? So I buy at the wrong time, I sell, you know, with loss, I get out, you know. But people that buy after me, they still hodling because they don't know if I bought or sell. So, you know, I just keep those things I keep for me, you know. It's okay. Tila, I own over 100 SOL. Can I retire? I don't know how much is 100 SOL. If it's above 40k, maybe you can. Come on, help a poor man out. Man, everything is going up. Just help yourself out. Just buy whatever. Nah. hoping for a pullback over full blow correction. Well, this was the first pullback. This was actually, you know, that we thought was actually, you know, gonna crash the downside. Did not, went to 20 moving average, went above all time. This is the first signal. This is the very first signal for me that we are being bullish. When we went down, went to 20 moving average, didn't even hit the 20 moving, and went back above this high up here. That was the first signal to me. This, and I was like, damn, this is bullish, guys. This is bullish, and we continued going up. That was the like bullish signal. He buying scam coins. Whatever makes me money, isn't that right, guys? Isn't that right? Whatever makes me money. I gotta go May with see ya later, TLI. Coinskid, thanks for stopping by. See ya later. By the way, Coinskid, you got the bragging. If this breaks to the upside, just remember, you got the bragging rights. Okay? You got the bragging rights. See you around, mate. See you, wink to the moon. What about a hint, TLI? Just kidding. I respect the secrecy. CCK, Dogecoin. What's happening in Doge? Minus 3%. Yeah, well, Coinski is gonna go make videos. I gotta go make videos. Guys, I gotta go make Patreon video. I'm gonna talk about altcoins. I'm gonna talk about, you know, Solana, other altcoins that are breaking to the upside. What I think might happen. You know, TLA floor level Ponzi for Schiaro. Ponzis are exceptionally good way to make money, guys. Ponzis, if you understand Ponzis, they are good. People hate Ponzis because they don't understand Ponzis. They buy late in the Ponzis, they lose money, and everybody, you know, people hate Ponzi. But you know, Ponzis are good. Ponzis are fine, if you understand. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I gotta go on Patreon video. Gotta go make XRP video. Gonna get a Cardano video. Gonna get a Matic video. Maybe I'm gonna even make Solana video because there is a too much pump. So maybe Solana video today. Maybe. That's it, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, you know, to get notifications, all of that, you know, for tomorrow. 9:30 Central European time every single day. Stop by on this channel. We gotta know what's happening, guys. We gotta know what's happening. And right now we are bullish, but you know, we do not know which way it's gonna go. We do not know. Goes up, super bullish. Goes down, maybe some kind of correction, and bullish again. Debuting TA Fans Club. Also join the TA Fans Club if you would like the green name and the emojis That's it, guys. See you around. Bye bye. I'm gonna drink my coffee, make some videos. Have a nice day, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Where's the stop button? There is the stop button. Batch is always keeping up with stop button. By the way, guys, Solana today on the YouTube, probably, most probably, there will be Solana TI on the YouTube. It's gonna be bullish. Doesn't matter how you look at it. See you around, guys.